The German tank Dimitrij Ovtcharov versus the Brazilian star Hugo Calderano. Who will win? Based on the head-to-head score, Dima has defeated Hugo 3 times. Thank you very much for your support. I need to improve my English. When I say I win Ma Long, it is wrong. I should say I defeat Ma Long, I defeat Ma Long, I defeat Ma Long. Dima has defeated Hugo 3 times, and this time it is very hard for the Brazilian player Hugo Calderano. In the end, Dimitrij Ovtcharov has won 4-2. Hugo Calderano is so sad. I understand his feeling. I have watching a lot of his training videos. He is one of the most hard-working players I have seen. So he will be very disappointed right now. At the first 2 sets, Hugo quickly leads 2-0. He used a lot of third ball attack on both sides. He also attacked the serve of Dima, and Dima is surprised by the aggressiveness of Hugo. He has no solution. I can feel the tension of both players. Hugo blows the hand several times, and at the first set he has already changed his t-shirt. It is impressive. Hugo changed his t-shirt after every set, so in his bag he should have at least 7 t-shirts. After losing 0-2, Dima also started to change his t-shirt. Hugo also applied some type of gel on his wrist. The most important moment is the third set. Hugo was leading 8-4. And I think, wow, it is amazing. Hugo is so impressive this time. However, Dima is an experienced player. At the moment of timeout, Dima has changed the pace of the game. He plays slower, but he plays deeper. He avoids the quick attack with Hugo. Because Hugo is on fire, he is very concentrated and motivated. And then Hugo made a lot of error by leading 8-4. Now Hugo lost the set 11-8. It is too fast. The problem with Hugo is when he wins, he will dominate the match quickly, but when he lost, he loses quickly too. His attack is very powerful, but it is very risky. If he can slow down and control more the rally, then I think he can win 3-0. The score is now 2-2. At the last 2 sets, Hugo tried to change the placement, but again he didn't change the speed and the spin of his attack, and he lost. I wish that Hugo can add a little bit of variation to his ball's quality. His style is fast and powerful, but table tennis is a game of variation, so sometimes you need to adapt to the situation. Congratulations to Dima. He is not only powerful but also very smart. In this game, Dima has varied very well in his shots. Sometimes he just make a short push and let Hugo attack first. Dima plays the short game, And then Dima quickly played the forehand to forehand long game. The depth of the ball is changed every 3 to 4 rallies. In the next game, Dimitrij Ovtcharov will play against Malvaldi. Hope you can win Malvaldi. Oh, sorry, it is wrong. Hope you can defeat Malvaldi. Defeat, not win. Defeat Malvaldi. Defeat Malvaldi. The head-to-head score is 16-0 for Malvaldi. Malvaldi has won 16 times against Dima. The score is amazing. But who knows, we are expecting something miracle at this Tokyo Olympics.